Push na boy.
Na
Saka
57
pa pa-play sa tan. Asa si pa-play sa tan? Pa-play sa tan, umasa ka pa ha. Pa-play
Oh,
sa tan,
it's
ha?
name.
Sir Dex ba?
Hindi ka pa sa pwesto ha.
Ha?
Baka lang naman. Gusto ko solo ang Sir Dex ha. Sir Dex.
Solo ka?
Pwesto ha.
Yan lang.
Okay.
Solo ko, ayoko nung may kasabay.
Okay. Dahil ni-request mo.
Salamat.
Patay na. Gago. Ito pa. Double kill.
Wala mga. Patay ng bell. Nababa ng bell.
Uy, gago sinibobres ako.
Dex, meron dyan.
Bababa na ako.
Ah, mutang ina.
Right click daw.
But deep down, girl, I knew just what you like.
Uy po.
Likod natin yung Boy,
Same one got me stuck on you. And every time you look my way, girl, I swear I lose my cool. See, I've been trying not to rush this, but your body got me thinking reckless. And every little thing you do makes it hard for me to act like this ain't serious. Cause every time I leave, you stay all on my mind. And every time you touch me,
Patay mo
girl,
yan,
I
meron pa
want
TPF.
more every time.
Low pa, Dex.
Nahabulin niya. Nahabulin niya.
Bisa pa whitelist mo ako.
I don't know what this is, but I need you in my life. You say you like the way I listen. So most dudes always move different, but with me, girl, you feel relaxed, like I'm giving you something missing. And I ain't tryna play no games. You know I'm different from these lanes. I see the way you smile at me, girl. I know you feeling the same. So why we acting like strangers when the chemistry feel dangerous? I know you feel this tension too, baby. Why we tryna tame this? Come a little closer. Tell me what you need tonight. I ain't gotta force it. I can read what's in your eyes. If you let me show you, girl, I promise you'll see why. I've been thinking about you lately, every second, every night. You've been on my mind, running through non-stop. Every little thing you do makes my heart beat dry. I don't know where this goes, but I know what I like. And right now, what I'm feeling says I need you tonight. Says I need you tonight.
Ako ba?
Uy.
Dex, pa-shoutout po.
Sir, may QR code tayo sa screen. Ha?
Tayo na si F
Di
na
mo
si
okay
Ice.
la.
Pa-shoutout
Basta
tayo,
idol lang
busing.
kita.
Pa-shoutout tayo. Pa-shoutout kami.
Pinadya mo na
naman.
Isa pa to si Badok. Shoutout Shiba. Shoutout Shiba.
Dex, shoutout mo nga ako si Yakikyam.
Tingnan.
Uy, si Yakikyam, shoutout mo.
Pwede
magpa-shoutout, Sir Dex?
Shoutout?
Pa.
Sige po, wala na kasi akong dito sa MB. Puro pa
yung
Sir
la-
Dex.
Yung last time din na shoutout.
Sir Dex, pa-shoutout kami Sir Dex. Shoutout sa'yo sir. Ay, sige sir ba? Sige sir.
Sa
Mahina yung isa.
Shoutout po, Miko lang. Miko lang po, Sir Dex.
Sir Dex, pa-shoutout ako. Sir Dex, ang lakas mo, ang kate mo.